Hello everyone and welcome to CapCut for social media video editing. Today is our 12th lesson and our lesson topic is make Facebook video with CapCut landscape. So in this video you'll be learning about how to create Facebook videos, and that is also in landscape. So now let's go over to the CapCut desktop app and see how we are going to create our one. After coming to CapCut, you will have this type of interface. Now let's go and import our particular file over here. Let's click here and then we'll be selecting this three particular video. So let's select this three videos and let's import this one. So after importing, we have to select our intro for this one because this is a vlog. So for vlog, let's find the intro. So let's go over to the library option. Here you can see so many videos are there. We can just search here anything. So let's search for intro and then let's click. It will just automatically search and you can see here the intros are there. So one intro we'll be using. Let's use this particular intro. Let's download this one. It will take some time to download and afterwards we'll just put our particular intro over here. So our intro has been downloaded and let's preview this intro. So here you can see 3, 2, 1, it's showing like that. So we'll be using this one. Let's put it over here. And now let's go and add our particular video, whichever I imported from my particular desktop. So now let's click over this. Let's select one by one. This is first. I'll just decrease this one, then the second one, and the third one. Now, if I want to add an end also for this one, the end or something, we can just put that one. In library section, I just saw that one. So let's use this one. Let's download first. And then let's put our particular the end over here. Now you can see our particular video is quite ready. Now we have to select the ratio for our particular video. So for Facebook, it's like this. You have to go over here and then you have to do manually. So it's 1280 by 720. 1280 by 720. 720 is the ratio for our particular Facebook video. And let's change this name as Facebook and save. Now our ratio is quite okay. You can see. So the ratio is custom and let's check the end. For end, let's put our this thing over here and see how it's coming. So now let's add some transition between our particular videos. So let's go over to the transition and select any transition. I'll be using this one first. Then for the next one, let's use this one. And then let's use another one for the next one. And for end, we'll just use something like this. Done. Now let's have a preview of our particular video over here. So now you can see it's coming so nicely. 2% went for our date and they're roaming outside. They're eating different type of food and talking to each other, sharing their food, all those things you can see. So now let's add some effects for our particular video. So for effects, let's go over to the effects and then we'll be selecting some random effects for our video. Suppose this one I'll be using. So let's bring it here. Let's make it like this. You can just put different effects over here also. Suppose I want to put an effect over here. I'll just put it here. And you can see this particular effect is there. It's like having a light there. Edge is glowing there. Now the next one, you can add anything. Let's add this only over here. Now let's add some music. So let's go over to the audio section. Let's type something like vlog. It will just show us some different type of music. Let's play one of them. First we have to download. After downloading only we'll be able to play. You can hear. Or else let's try the next one. A gape egula. I think the first one is better. So let's use the first one and let's place it here. Now wait for some time. Let's trim our particular audio. Select our audio. Let's split it and then delete this one. Now you can see our particular audio is ready. Now if you want to do some more customization, like you want to put some text, some stickers, you can just put there. Also you can just add different filters over here. Suppose I'll select a filter for the first one. I'll not put for other. The first one, let's select this particular filter. Let's bring it over here. Filter has been added. And then let's add another one for the second one. And for the third one also we'll be putting, because already we put for those two. Now let's play once again from starting and see how it looks. So now you can see our particular video has been ready. Now let's go and export this. So let's click over export and it will just come over here like this. You can just select where you want to export the resolution. You can see I just select a custom resolution for this one. If I want to make it as 1080p, then I can select, but this is only for Facebook. So we can select like this. And frames also I'll just adjust 60 fps and then let's click on export, and it will take some time to export, and afterwards your particular video will be ready. So I hope you all understand about this class. If you're having any doubt, you can just ask us. We'll be able to help you. Till then, take care. Goodbye.